Who wants to know how much a front windshield for a Cybertruck costs to replace? I know I don't, but I found out anyway. Got back from Tesla a couple of days ago, and I have the total right here. I'm looking at it. So the front windshield costs $1,900. That's not including labor. Let's see. Labor, $133. Sealant, $105. Oh, and by the way, since I have the Cyber Beast, they also had to remove the light bar and replace it. That was $189. Now, Tesla does offer windshield protection plan for about $35 a month. To me, that's not really worth it once you do the math on how often you're likely to get a broken windshield and, you know, what you could put that money towards instead. But that's just me. If you don't plan on breaking your windshield in the next 5 years, then the $35 a month just isn't worth it, in my opinion. So with that, it's time to hit the road again.